Hello everyone, this is Geeta Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I would like to talk with you about the banking theory, law and practice. In this presentation, first we will see about the history of banking. What is meant by bank? The word bank has been derived from banco, which means a bench. This has been derived from Italy. The Jewish merchants made deals to borrow and lend money besides a bench. They place the money on that bench. These elementary financial records are known from the beginning of history. These slides, you can see the image of Jewish moneylenders in Italy used to transact their business sitting on benches at different marketplaces. Now we will come to the history of banking in India. The history of banking in India is divided into two parts: pre independence, that is before 1947, and post independence from 1947 to till date. So the pre-independence's banking system commenced in India with the foundation of Bank of Hindustan in Calcutta in 1770, which ceased to operate in 1832. So what is mean by post-independence? The whole banking sector was under private ownership. The rural community of the country had to depend on small money lenders for their requirement. To solve these issues and better growth of the economy, the government of India nationalized the Central Bank of India on January 1st, 1949. Here we comes to know about indigenous banking. Indigenous bankers are private firms or individuals who operate as bankers. That is, it is defined as a private firm which receives deposits and deals in undis or engages itself mainly in lending money. What is undi? Undis refers to financial instruments used to transfer funds from one place to another. In the next slide, we can see about the image of undi. Here we can see the original image of hundi. It is like a postcard. The amount has been printed in it. The date, borrowers and lenders detail will also be written on it. In this unit, our next topic is history of commercial banks in India. As I said earlier, the Bank of Hindustan was the first bank in India. It was started in the year 1770 in Calcutta by Messrs. Alexander and Company. It is a European agency, but the Bank of Hindustan failed in the year 1832. With the fall of the agency house of Messrs. Alexander and Company. What is commercial bank? A commercial bank is a financial institution which performs the functions of accepting deposits from the general public and giving loans for investment with the aim of earning profit. Here you can see some of the bank names which has been nationalized on July 19, 1949. Thank you very much. We will continue in the next presentation. Thank you.